Building a lifelong recovery routine isn't just about bouncing back from injuries. It's about creating habits that keep your body resilient, flexible, and strong for years to come. Recovery is not a one-time phase. It's an ongoing practice that supports your performance, health, and well-being every day. The first step is understanding recovery as part of your training, not something separate from it. Every workout, workday, or physical challenge creates small amounts of stress in your body. Recovery is how your body adapts, rebuilds, and grows stronger. Making it a consistent part of your life prevents burnout and long-term wear and tear. Start with movement. Gentle daily activity, like walking, stretching, or mobility drills, keeps your joints lubricated, improves circulation, and helps your muscles recover between intense sessions. Think of it as active maintenance, not rest. Next, prioritize sleep. This is when your body does most of its repair work, rebuilding tissues, balancing hormones, and consolidating memory and coordination. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and maintain a consistent schedule. Nutrition is another cornerstone. Your body can only repair what you fuel it with. Focus on protein for muscle recovery, colorful fruits and vegetables for antioxidants, and healthy fats for inflammation control. Hydration is equally vital. Water supports every cell in your recovery process. Build in mobility and flexibility work a few times a week. Yoga, stretching, and foam rolling help maintain range of motion and reduce stiffness. Over time, this improves performance and lowers your risk of injury. Strength training also plays a role in lifelong recovery. Strong muscles protect your joints and connective tissues, making your body more durable. Include functional, balanced strength exercises that work your entire body, not just the mirror muscles. Incorporate mindfulness and stress management. Mental tension can manifest as physical tightness, fatigue, or poor recovery. Practices like deep breathing, meditation, or mindful movement help regulate your nervous system and keep you in a healthy balance between effort and rest. Consistency is everything. Small daily habits compound over time. 5 minutes of stretching, a short walk after work, or taking a few deep breaths between meetings all add up. The goal is to make recovery a natural part of your lifestyle, not an afterthought. Finally, listen to your body. Pain, fatigue, or stiffness are signals, not obstacles. Adjust, rest, or modify when needed. A lifelong recovery routine is flexible, adapting to your body's changing needs. When you prioritize recovery as a lifelong habit, you're not just healing, you're investing in longevity, performance, and confidence in your movement for life.